And welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we're going to be learning how to both delete an account and also make an account inactive from your chart of accounts. Okay, so let's start with deleting an account. To delete an account from your dashboard or any other screen in ZarMoney, you're going to go to the top navigation bar and hover over Company. And from the drop-down, you're going to click Chart of Accounts. So to delete an account, the account has to have 0 transactions related to it. I'm going to choose employee advances for this example. And as you can see, my balance is 0, and there are also 0 transactions related to this account. So to delete the account, I'm going to simply click the trash icon. And a confirmation is going to pop up just to verify that I really do want to delete the account. So I'm going to click yes. And as you can see, the account disappeared. Okay, now let's see how to make an account inactive. From the dashboard or any other screen in ZarMoney, we're going to hover over Company again and click Chart of Accounts again. Now to make an account inactive, we're going to have to click the pencil icon next to the account. I'm going to use furniture and fixtures for this example. So this is going to allow us to edit the account. And I want to make this account inactive because it has transactions related to it, but I don't want to use the account anymore. So the system won't let you delete the account, but it will allow you to make it inactive. So that's what we're doing right now. Then I'm going to click Update. And you're going to get a confirmation bar. And as you can see here, an inactive account will have a red X next to it just to indicate that it's inactive. And you can see at the top, inactive is the column name. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.